My name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a tube in Photoshop. So the first thing you're going to do when you're drawing a tube is you're going to want to make sure that you have the Ellipse Tool selected. And the Ellipse Tool is, when you hold down, at first it'll look like the rectangle tool, it's just the shape tool. Hold that down and go to the Ellipse Tool. And so then you can draw your ellipse, and you should probably create an oval. If you make a circle, that's fine, but your perspective is going to be very different. So I'm going to start with an oval just to make it easier for perspective. And actually, instead of using that, I'm actually going to go up here and I'm going to select the custom shape tool. And then right here next to it is your custom shapes. If you go to this little arrow on the side, if you select all and say OK, all the shapes will pop up. So I'm going to select this thin circle frame sort of thing. And then I'm going to draw my oval. And I'm actually going to add a new layer. And then I'm going to use my paintbrush and then I'm going to draw make it a little smaller. Just a line like that. I'm actually just going to hold down Alt or Option and just drag it. And then I'm going to actually make a copy of that circle by doing the exact same thing I just did with the line. And then I'm actually going to rasterize that layer. So when you go up to your layer, right-click and select Rasterize Layer. And then I'm going to use the eraser tool and then just erase part of that circle, or the ellipse. And then you have your tube. My name is Alex Cecilio, and this is how you draw a tube in Photoshop. Thank you.